you a craft where I used these Dollar Tree 4 for $1.25 bowls to create lids for jars. And so I had this jar with all of these toilet paper gems, and this came off a another container that broke. So what I did was I put this on it, and I told you there has to be a way that I could fit this lid and it would hold. So let me see if I can find a way of holding this camera so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to squeeze this on this like this, because I was trying to find how do you keep this down so that once you put the bowl on it, it stays. So this is what I came up with. Oh, I think I put it a little too low. Let me bring it up a little bit higher so that it will hold it. And you see, since it's a regular jar, it has the same type of jar, screwy thing, so that you can kind of bring it up a level. And so then you put it on this like that, and it holds it. And this way it won't move around. So then you have a container. So instead of just having a recycle, reuse, repurpose old jar, you put the bowl on it, and then you have a pretty container. And you see I kind of filled it with these toilet paper gems. Now let me bring this up just a little bit more. See, I keep adjusting it until I get it right. So let's see, I'm going to bring it up a little more so that I can make it even tighter. Let's see. Okay, so now this is higher. And now that's really tight. You guys see the difference in that, right? So let's see how tight. I'm going to see if I can turn it over and will it stay. It does. So you see how at first when I put it on, it wouldn't really stay as snug, but because you can adjust it. Now, I'm wondering if you could kind of buy these things somewhere. Maybe there are places that will sell this, but this is an easy way to make something that didn't come together fit well. Okay, let me do that. All right, so now the next thing I wanted to show you is, again, using lids. All you have to do when you use these lids is cut a picture out, find a really cute lid, and you have a frame. This came from a catalog. So just cut a picture out and use lids. My mom got me these from the Dollar Tree. It could work with this too. Let me show you a container for that. So here is the container. They're canning snap lids. And so you could use this. This is just a pickle jar lid. But you see how that is really cute. And it kind of looks like it came that way. And if you wanted to, you could put a ribbon on it and use it as an ornament. The next thing is I showed you in a craft how you can take this off the candy chocolates that come from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and you actually use this cardboard. Then what you do is you use it to trace out the heart. So you keep this, and you can always just make a heart. So what you would do is you would get some cardstock, fold it in half, and then you actually can make a Valentine's card for anyone. If you don't have cardstock, you can use construction paper, poster board. The whole point is that you don't ever have to worry about getting the perfect heart shape because you got it for free and then you got candy also. So I guess this, you could say if you just want to buy it for this, you get free candy with it. So that's an easy way of using this, recycling it, and using it to make something else. And you could just make that cute card. So there we are. We have holiday presents from recycle, reuse, repurpose items. Thank you for watching.